Hello and welcome to this Mykademy feature tutorial video. In this video, you will learn how to create surveys in a course. Click Survey, which is on the right side of the course content page. A small pop-up window will appear where you can enter the survey title and choose the section to which the survey lecture needs to be added. There are two types of surveys: regular survey and tutor feedback survey. The regular survey enables a learner to take up a regular survey on the course. The tutor feedback survey will enable the learners to provide feedback to the tutor. When you choose this option, there will be a drop-down menu to choose a tutor for the survey. You can also enter a survey description. Finally, click Create. This is how a survey looks like. It can be a single choice, multiple choice, or descriptive in nature. The admin can add any number of questions by clicking Add Question. Once the questions are ready and activated, the learner can take the survey. After adding the questions, click Save. Thank you for watching this video on how to create surveys.